Alright, so now what we're going to do is make a hole on this front wall here for our door, just like you see in the example. And we're going to do our steps for success. We're going to draw a shape, push, pull, make it a component, and move if need be. So here we go. I'm going to right click on this wall and make sure it's unique, which it is, so that's good. I'm then now going to double click into it until I'm in my edit mode. And we're going to make a 7-foot by 3-foot door exactly in the middle of our wall. So I'm going to go to my line tool and it snaps to the middle. It calls it a midpoint. So I click. I'm going to draw this line straight up on the blue axis, 7 feet, enter. Then I want my door 3 feet wide. So I'm going to do 1.5 feet to the right. Hit my space bar, go back into that command, 1.5 feet, and then go straight down and go over here. Oops, Control-Z. Let me read. Click my line tool and draw my line straight down on the blue axis. I can then delete this line in the middle there. And now if I click just once, I have this surface. So I drew my shape. I'm now going to push pull. So in order to push pull, I need to kind of see the top of my wall and that surface. I'm going to click and push it through. And I'm going to snap it to the other side of my wall and release. And now I have a hole cut. I'm going to hit my space bar and click in white space to set it in stone. And I am all good on my open.